Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Unapologetically Mocha, and on this channel we talk about all things craft and crochet. Now, I was in the middle of filming a stitch tutorial when this came in the mail. Not sure my address. This, I've been waiting for this for a while. It's a surprise cake bag from Hobbii. I have no idea what these yarns are. None. Zero. Zip. Nada. But I'm totally blind because, well, it's a surprise bag, and that's the point of a surprise bag, is to be surprised. So, as y'all know, I love Hobbii. If you look, wondering what I'm doing, I'm looking for my scissors that have disappeared. Let me grab another pair. Oh, ow. Okay. Y'all know I love Hobbii, and I cannot sit on an unopened Hobbii bag. So that meant I had to stop what I was doing, pause the tutorial I was filming, and do this, because I wanted to do it on for a video. So, let's open this bag. Ignore my dog in the background. They have an uncanny way of wanting to start acting up as soon as I turn on this camera. My apologies in advance. Oof. Punched myself. Okay, I'll talk about this in a second. I know what that is. And there's a bag in the bag. Oof. My receipt. Ooh, look, a piece of candy. Comment below if you know where that came from. I'm just curious if anybody else recognizes that reference. Okay. Let's open this one. A bag in a bag. Bag inception. Come on, cut the bag. Hobbii, you're playing with my emotions. There we go. Alright, well, let's see. Ooh. Here's the first one. It's a Cotton Kings, and it's one of their twirls. This one doesn't have a label, but one of them in here does, but I don't want to take it out yet. But look at that. It's pretty. I definitely see a spring shawl in this cake's feature. I'm going to take out the one with the label because I want to be able to read what the specs are on this. Okay, yes, this is a Cotton Kings Twirls, as I expected. And this one is a Twirls Pastello. And I'd guess that this one would be a Pastello as well, just from the colors. Ooh, look at that. This is pretty too. Let's see, what are the specs? Okay, it calls for a 2.5 to 3.5 millimeter hook. Oh no, wait, sorry, that's for knitting. For crochet, it's 3.5 to 4 millimeter. Whew, much more in my wheelhouse. I don't mind working with that at all. It's 100% cotton, and there's 874 yards in this. So yeah, definitely can get a shawl out of that. And I don't know what you know about their Cotton King Twirls, but it's the loose thread, so it's a 4-ply loose. And although it's pretty thin, it works up rather thick because the four strands are side by side instead of twisted. So it works up a lot thicker than you would think, and it works up quick. I've actually made a shawl. I made a shawl with a Cotton Kings once before. So there's two more. Ooh. That's pretty wicked. I don't know what I would make with this, but I'll find something. That's the third one. And this, oh, I love this colorway. The bright going into the blue, the dark blue, and then the black. Yeah. Yeah, the bright's kind of washing it out a bit, but there's some deep blues in there. So, that's what I got from Hobbii, yarn-wise. And I'm okay with this. I love all of these. These are great. Like I said, definitely see a couple of shawls in the works. Not sure what else I'll use them for, but I'll think of something. If you have an idea, go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you would do with one of these. And, yeah. And as far as how they feel like cotton. They feel like cotton, like thread. So it's not like the softest material in the world, but it's still relatively soft. And I know from experience that when it works up, it loses some of the roughness of the thread. It softens up. So it really feels soft when you're wearing it, but while you're working with it, it's kind of got a rough texture, like thread. Like, if you ran your hand over a spool of thread, this is what this feels like. But yeah, there's definitely potential of some really cool things here. So, thumbs up on the mystery bag. I like it. And the other thing I got, which, like I said, I knew, and I got, because I picked this out because Reggie from J Hook Crochet is forever showing hers, and I decided I wanted one. So I used some of my points, because there's no way you can get it, and I got this notebook. All I need is wine and yarn. There's two of them you could choose from. Man, it's got a little bend in it. I guess I can flatten that out. But it's a planner notebook. For those that, there you go. For any of you that design, you know how much these pages can help when you're trying to sketch a design and you're trying to like get stitches straight and get measurements straight. And you can also, you can write on the pages as well. So, but I thought that this would be a good addition in my creative toolbox. And let's be real, this is me. These two things make me very happy. So, that was a quick video. I just wanted to show you what I got from Hobbii because y'all know how much I love Hobbii. And I was dying to see what was in the mystery cake bag. And there you go. So, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you didn't like this video, you can not hit the like button or you can hit the dislike button. It's up to you. I'm not going to force you to say you like something you don't. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit this. Wow. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you know next time I upload a video. And keep in mind, I go live every Wednesday at 7 p.m. Eastern, and we talk about all things craft, crochet, life, whatever comes up, hot topics in crochet and the crafty community. And I'm putting out videos at least twice a week, sometimes 3 times. So that's why you have that bell cut. I cannot talk today. That's why you should have that bell icon clicked so that you'll know anytime I upload or I go live. And with that, I'm going to go. I'm going to avoid put this away somewhere so that I'm not tempted to work with it right now because I really want to start playing with it. But I still have to finish this other tutorial I'm filming, so I'm gonna go back to doing that so that will be out for you on Monday. So thanks for being here, and I will see you soon. Bye.